In today's video, I am about to share one of my personal trading strategy with over 95% accuracy if used correctly. Make sure to watch the video till then end. After applying and modifying the DeMarker Oscillator on your chart, now we will move to the explanation part of the video. Over here you can see the markets and DeMarker, showing the downward movement as the yellow bars of the oscillator are below the white line. Same for the up trade indication. The market and DeMarker both are in the bullish direction and DeMarker bar is above the white link. And this is the confirmation where you open your trades for 2 minutes and make profits with this strategy. Now, to avoid losing your trades, keep in mind not to trade in these markets where the shadows of the candle are constant and most of the body of candles are smaller than shadow. In case you don't know, then this is called consolidation, and never ever trade in these markets, otherwise you'll make loss for sure. Anyways, now I will show you live trading using this strategy. Over here, take a look. I have opened 2 trades of $750 in the down direction for 2 minutes. DeMarker is below the white line and bars already started to form, and just look at the markets. The bodies of the candles are complete with almost no shadows. There we go, a 100% profits with the strategy in 2 minutes. Here's the trade record. Look at the deep down trend and the accuracy. Now I want you all to use this strategy and make profits. Also, you have to share the results with me on my Telegram. The link will be in the description. Last but not least, you can trade with me live on my Telegram signals group and make $500 every day. Message me on Telegram to join my live Telegram trading group.